Stafford MSD kicked off October with an opportunity for students to get a jump on their college search. Stafford High School Associate Principal Misty Morgan explains.
This event is an annual event for the students here at Stafford High School. We have incorporated a couple of new elements in keeping with the theme of the College and Career Center that is newly built. We have incorporated a few of the local employers who have an established pathway from work to school. For example, Home Depot is here. They are here to assist students who have an interest in going to the world of work before they go into school. But as I understand it, Home Depot does offer opportunities for their employees to work and also go to a institution of higher learning. So we wanted to invite those persons in who fit into our career path. Our vision for the students in the College and Career Center is that they will have an opportunity, whether it's a pathway directly to a 4-year or 2-year, a technical college, or the world of work. We wanted to just incorporate those ideas for them. We have supplied them with college workbooks that give them critical questions to ask with regard to admission requirements, things that they can be doing right now as seniors and juniors to prepare for what colleges will expect of them. They want to be very focused on what their major, what their area of interest would be, and aligning that with colleges that support that. So those are some of the things that we give them, tips to really go towards what they want to be and what they want to do after they leave high school. And we also have our students here from the middle school, our AVID. The students who are a part of the AVID program will be first generation college students. So we want to get them exposed to it very early on.
Several representatives took a moment from setting up their tables to give us their best advice for navigating a college fair.
What I would do is have in mind what type of program you're interested in. And if you're unsure of what program you're interested in, it's always helpful to maybe ask the representative some of their popular programs so you get a good idea, and that way you can narrow your search.
Take everything into consideration. When you're looking for the right school, don't just consider what's always been the norm. Look at the school, look at what your interests are, evaluate what your needs are, because this is the one time in your life that you'll have an opportunity to do something that is for yourself.
Well, if you're a young person coming to a college day or night fair such as this, we would say make sure that you ask questions, that you don't leave without having your questions answered. All of these representatives, we are here to make sure that you get a good inside glimpse into what the university life is like, the university process for application is like, scholarships. All of the universities here and even other institutions have lots of money to give students, and oftentimes students don't know how they can qualify for these scholarships, and sometimes it's as easy as filling out a scholarship application. Many institutions, Houston Baptist included, this happens automatically by virtue of you applying to the university. So we encourage you to make sure that you fill out the contact cards. That's very, very important. All of the institutions represented here will have what we call inquiry cards. It's the best way for us to be able to get you into our communication flow and send you information about the university, and hopefully begin a relationship with you that will culminate in you enrolling at our institution.
While students should take the lead in the college selection process, Morgan believes parents have a vital role to play.
Stay involved. I am always pro-parent. At this age, our students think they know, they don't know. And so that we definitely want to encourage that continuous parental support, asking questions of the students, asking questions of the school. We welcome those opportunities to have conversations about where we want their kids to be and how we can mutually support them in those goals.
For more information about college and career planning at SMSD, visit the district's website at www.staffordmsd.org. For Spartan Spotlight, I'm Stacy Hawkins.